Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a collaboration and it's called the Winter Christmas Tier Tray Open Collab, and that's hosted by At Penny's Place. Now the co-host of this collab is Style with Pat. So the theme of this tier tray would either be Christmas or Winter Wonderland. So let's jump into the video. I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host down below in the description box along with the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see how everyone decorated their tier tray for the holiday. I'm going to be starting over here with the DIY. Now I found this block over in the Crafter Square at the Dollar Tree, and it's shaped like a little house. So we're going to go ahead and color this all the way around in that cream color, that apple barrel paint that I purchased over at Walmart. So along with that piece of wood, I'm also coloring 2 of the little wooden cubes that you can also purchase at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm pouring some of that glossy finish Mod Podge into a little bowl. We're going to be putting some gold glitter. This I purchased over at Walmart. And we're just going to be sealing that whole block in with the gold and the Mod Podge mixture. So now this is pretty much almost dry, not fully dry, but it's enough that I can continue working. So we're going to glue those wooden cubes onto 2 different areas of that block. And then we're going to glue the unicorn horse, the iridescent one. I purchased that at the Dollar Tree. And we're going to give that the 3D effect by gluing it right onto that block. So we're going to be putting a little bit of hot glue on both parts of those wooden blocks, and then we're going to place the unicorn on top of that. Again, giving it the 3D effect so it kind of pops out. It's absolutely gorgeous. So that needs to sit down and finish drying. I'm just kind of showing you a few of the little pieces that we're going to be adding on to our tier tray. So that's what I'm doing here. Okay, so I think it's time to head on over to the tabletop and start placing this together. We're going to take all of the old stuff that was on the tray off, and we're going to start decorating for Christmas. So after removing all the stuff from the tier tray, I decided to go ahead and wipe everything down before we start placing all the new stuff on it. Okay, so now it's time to decorate. So here we have one of the tea light holders. I think that came out in the springtime. They were little houses, and one of them says home sweet home, the other one says welcome. And so I'm going to be placing one of each on each part of the trays. And then we have the bottle brush trees, which you can also find at the Dollar Tree, and this is going to make it look so beautiful. So now after placing that beautiful little vase with some winter florals, I'm going to go ahead and stick one of the reindeer ornaments right inside of the vase. And that is in gold. So here, the Dollar Tree was carrying those beautiful snowballs that had iridescence on them. So I'm going to place one on the top tray and one on the bottom. I'm absolutely loving this Santa. This is not only such a beautiful size, but it's also vintage looking, and it's just a gorgeous piece. So I'm going to place that on the bottom half of the tray. So here is a 3D unicorn plaque that I made. And so it's not fully dry, but it's enough that I can go ahead and decorate my tray with it. I'm just loving the 3D effect. So what I'm doing here is just basically moving things around until I like how it looks, or I'm satisfied with the way that it looks. So that's what you see me doing here. I do want to take a moment and thank the host at Penny's Place and the co-host Style with Pat for this collaboration. I really had a great time, and I hope you enjoyed my video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Okay, it looks like I'm done moving things around. I'm happy with it, so let's take a look at the reveal. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. Happy holidays.